The hot stock market has generated a rush for private companies to go public using the route of SPACs. The latest to join the bandwagon is EVA, the maker of LiDAR sensors. This company was founded in 2017 by former Apple engineers. EVA now joins the two other LiDAR stocks that are public, Velodyne and Luminar Technologies, which has been acquired by GMHI SPAC. Interprivate Acquisition Corp, ticker symbol IPV, a special purpose acquisition company, has announced that it has entered into a definite agreement for a business combination with EVA. Upon closing of the transaction, the combined company will be renamed EVA Inc. and will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol AEVA. In this video, we will take a deep dive look at the LiDAR technology and behind the scenes partners in EVA. We will take a look at the merger transaction details and the pro forma share count of the new company. We will examine a bull case scenario and a bear case scenario and try to come up with a valuation for the best case and worst case scenarios. I will try to be as objective as possible and relate everything to the numbers. I hope you will stay for the whole video and Please stay for the whole video to find out all the details about this extremely exciting stock. Hi, I'm Arshad Ahmed, founder of DIYstockpicker.com, an investment portal dedicated to help investors make intelligent decisions. This video is for information purposes. Please do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. EVA is the maker of the first 4D LiDAR on a chip. With its powerful software stack, EVA plans to bring its perception platform to a range of industries beyond automotive, including consumer electronics, consumer health, industrial robotics, and security. Founded by former Apple engineers Sarosh Salehian and Meena Rizk and led by an experienced team of engineers and operators, EVA is actively engaged with 30 of the top players in automated and autonomous driving across passengers, trucking, and mobility. The following are the important partnerships that the company has announced. EVA has received strategic investments from Porsche SE, the major shareholder of the Volkswagen Group. In 2019, EVA announced a partnership with Audi's autonomous intelligent driving entity. EVA has also partnered with multiple other passenger car, trucking, and mobility platforms to further adoption of the autonomous applications. EVA is in a production partnership with ZF, one of the world's largest automotive Tier 1 manufacturer, to supply the first automotive-grade 4D LiDAR from select ZF production plants. The partnership, EVA's expertise in LiDAR technology combined with ZF's experience in industrialization of automotive-grade sensors, represents a key commitment to accelerate mass production of safe and scalable 4D LiDAR technology. Here is a look at the merger transaction details. Pro forma implied enterprise value of approximately $1.8 billion and market cap of approximately $2.1 billion. $328 million cash to balance sheet to fund growth of the company. The transaction includes $243 million of cash held in trust and an immediate $120 million PIPE financing, including investments from Porsche SE. The deal is set to complete in the first quarter of 2021. Following completion of the transaction, EVA will retain its experienced management team. Here is a look at the pro forma share ownership structure and share count. Total shares 213 million, 80% existing EVA shareholders, 11% IPV SPAC shareholders, 6% PIPE investors, 3% IPV sponsor shares. Here is a look at the bull case scenario. This is a slide from the investor presentation that has some projections for 2030. The total addressable market of $200 billion by 2030. If the company has a 3% penetration rate, that gives the company a $6 billion revenue. With a margin of 45%, it results in a $3 billion EBITDA. The industry standard of 30 times EBITDA gives a market cap of $90 billion. To find out the share price, we divide the market capitalization by the total number of shares. So 90 billion divided by 213 million shares equals $422 per share in 2030. Now, if we look at the 2025 valuation from the slides, it's giving an EBITDA of $550 million. Now, a 30 times EBITDA multiple gives a market capitalization of $16.5 billion in 2025. Divide again by the number of shares of 213 million. So $16.5 billion market cap divided by 213 million shares equals $77 per share in 2025. Here is a look at the bear case scenario. Since many of the markets in which EVA is competing are new and rapidly evolving, it's very difficult to forecast long-term end customer adoption rates and demand for its products. So many of the financial projections may not actually result in tangible revenue. Currently, the company is burning about $30 million cash per year. High profit margins of 45 to 50% are the main drivers of the high valuation. Say the company does not grow as expected and grows only to about $1.5 billion of revenue by 2025. And we take a little bit safe margin of 30%, which translates to $45 million of EBITDA. Again, a 30 multiple of EBITDA results in a $1.35 billion market capitalization. Divide again by the shares outstanding, that gives $6.30 a share in 2025. So there we go. In the bull case scenario where everything is rosy and all the plan is executed to perfection, $73 per share by 2025 and $422 per share by 2030. And if something goes wrong, a bear case valuation of $6.30 per share by 2025. As you can see, a lot of things can change based on the valuation parameters that we are using, like the revenue growth rate, the profit margins, and the 30 times multiple of earnings that we are using. That is why valuation is an art and it's not a science that can be coded definitely. I hope you liked the video. Here are two other LiDAR stocks, Luminar Technologies and Velodyne, that I have evaluated, and these should appear on the end screen here, and I hope to see you in those videos. Take care.